many shims you got?
3.
Thick ones? Those are double thick?
Loobies.
Not too lubies.
Looby doobies.
I put the thickest one next to the big thick plate. Or you put the thickest one next to the thin plate.
Thick plate.
Thick plate?
Yeah.
Thin plate.
Thin plate.
Thick plate. We'll put the thin ones on the outside. That has more area than inside
Oh,
the cam.
makes sense.
It does?
Yeah.
To you?
Sure.
Go with it, huh?
Mm-hmm.
You go with anything I say.
Because you know more than me.
Line. Did you mix those up?
No.
You sure?
Positive.
How's this one? How many shims you got?
3.
Thick and thin all the way around?
Yep.
What year were these made?
What?
What year were these made?
73.
There you go.
Except for number 1 was made in 72.
Nope.
74.
Nope.
70.
73.
73. Which one was made in 72?
They're all 73s.
I thought one of them was different.
Well, yeah, one was made in 1 of 73, the other ones were 4 of 73.
Oh.
How soon you forget. That's very important.
Yeah.
What year's your motor?
Depends on what part you're talking about.
I said motor.
Motor.
Yeah, what year's your cases?
73s.
That's why they match. You have to have matching production dates. Who else says they got a bob with matching cams in their motor? Makes it worth more money, right?
Sure does. Thousands of dollars more.
Yeah, that's right. Numbers matching. You didn't mix these up, did you?
Nope.
Sure.
Didn't touch them. I only slid them.
Which one's the thick one?
Probably that one.
The one that doesn't bend?
Yep.
Yeah, you got numbers matching shifting cams. Where else are you going to find that?
Nowhere.
Put that on Snapchat. Look how good I am.
Look how awesome this is. Go down to Tatro.
Booby Trap's got matching cams.
Yep. Well, the booby trap's not really going to be a booby trap anymore.
It's the original. 4 of 73s. Yeah. Find that on your modern V twin cam. They won't even tell you a date code. Or a manufacturer. Alright. It's like you hopped a tooth.
Mm-hmm.
Do you like those marks?
They look pretty solid.
Go with that?
Yeah. Well, before, we might as well put that thing in there, too.
What?
That guy right over there. That lonesome little Jenny.
Yeah, we didn't shim it either.
Should we?
I don't know.
Does the Jenny need a shim? Some dude watching this on YouTube yelled out, "Yes! You do!"
You gonna run a generator?
Yeah.
Oh. Thought you were gonna run one.
What? Of course you knew I was going to run one.
Race bike, you run generators.
This isn't a race bike.
Well, you said it was a race bike earlier. Mine. It's got a shim in there too. Fiber shim.
There you go.
Fiberness. Look at those holes don't line up very well. So you had to move that over. So now you know which way you gotta go. You go that way.
Holy moly, it's getting buttoned up.
No, it's not.
Oh, yeah, we haven't put any gasket junk on there. We're going to put it on there, check it, make sure it's good to
We
go.
could jump the gun and do it. Then have to take it all back apart again and put new gasket in it. You tore the new old one.
Yeah, but we're not going to do that.
Now we can do another check.
Checking, checking, checking.
Make sure it's done correctly for once.
Kentucky Fried Chicken.
Yeah, Kentucky Fried Chicken. Extra crispy. We got that Keenan original recipe.
Yeah, you're full of shit, aren't you?
Look at that beautiful custom bracket right there.
The one that you were going to duplicate never did?
Yep.
And we're going to hold up your bobber until you do that.
Bobber. No, man.
You still got to get that scanned.
Yeah. I'm going to measure it up.
We can make it. Gina's going to go into production on those.
Woo!
Knock 'em out.
How much you going to knock them out for?
There you go. Huh?
He's lost. Is that harder to motor mount or easier?
That's a $200 part right there.
Guaranteed not to fit?
Exactly.
It's a $8,000 part.
Find me 2 cases that are exactly the same. And,
We're going to have to slot the holes on this because it doesn't fit now. It fit before. Before we built the motor, it fit.
why didn't they fit in it?
Gasket's different, probably. Something else changed. Put new bushing in it. Bushing slightly different. Who knows?
No, we checked it after we put the bushing in. Didn't we? Yeah, we did.
When we made it, it all fit, but 5-6 months later, it doesn't fit now. So.
Earth shifted.
Oh, I could barely move it. There we go.
Oh, look at that free movement.
That's a good sign.
It's a very good sign.
Sounds like
Okay, where is your first lobe? Right there. Hear it?
Nope, not really.
I can't.
I got my earplugs and I can hear it.
Oh yeah,
Here's
heard that one.
That one's looser. This is our tightest one. Remember, this one's like about 8.
Yeah,
This one was what, 11 or something?
yeah.
Hear that one?
Mhm.
I can see it. I can hear it. Somebody put lube all over everything. Masks the sound. It appears that they're all rotating correctly. What are you doing about this hole right here?
We're putting a big bolt in it.
Big bolt.
Yeah.
Yeah, they make a nice chrome plated acorn.
Oh, you know I love that chrome plated. Shiny, shiny, shiny.
I probably have a rusty one laying around for you.
Good.
Okay, it appears that the cam chest mock-up is coming to a completion.
Yes.
So that means now we have to actually work on it. We're going to have to work on this bracket a little bit too. We don't know how much yet until this is done.
Alright. Well, let's take her off and check it out.
Damn camera's on a rust brake.
Yeah, so we went ahead and gooped up the gasket there. Now we're tightening it all in there, buttoning it all up.
Button up the booby trap.
Buttoning up the
Torque it.
boobies. Yep. Wait until you hear the click in the elbow, and you're good.
How much torque is that?
250 foot-pounds.
Yeah, right. Not that strong. Let's see before I do those. Not yet.
I'm just holding it just in case. You gotta make sure you got finger up those holes.
Put some finger lube in there. Just can't get in there with my finger.
There you go.
Still have to get in there with anything. Get my shaft at here.
Get that shaft, lube it up. There we go. Let that go. There we go. Good shit.
No, this ain't the good shit.
Oh, I thought it was.
Right, here it is. Custom.
Custom fucking grease.
Okay. Now we need to beat this in because why?
Beat it in? Because it's snug?
The shaft is tapered.
Oh, yeah.
2,000th worth. Whoop. Once you get halfway into the slide. Slick as shit now.
Hell yeah.
Just run it.
Fucking let's do it.
Leave those bolts loose. That's
Drop
the
that
answer.
fuck tranny in there and let's get out. Wheelies.
Gotta tighten it up right there. It's already too tight to run.
Let's put some lapping compound in that thing.
Lots of carbon.
Yeah, let it erode itself in.
Polish, it's all green there.
Seems like a little tight.
Yeah, it was closer than it was. Surprisingly.
Once you put that lever on there, now you got plenty of leverage.
Yeah. Problem is it won't return.
Yeah.
Alright, well it's close, but it's not still not gonna work. Not sure how far off it is, but it's something off. Okay, where's it heading at?
This side. So we're gonna hit it up that way.
It needs to come up.
Yeah.
Official tool. Just like that.
Just like that.
That locks it. Beat on it until it works right. It's almost usable. Last little bit right there is where it gets tight, that last little bit. Precision installation. That's tight. Alright. Yeah, it's only right at the very top. Right there is where it gets tight. See where it gets tight?
Hmm.
There's that edge on that shaft or something. Alright. So does it look like it's off now? Look at it from the top.
It's yeah, it's needs to go this way.
Still needs to go that way?
Yeah. I think one good solid one.
Yeah, didn't help it.
It needs like because you got space over here. Wait, no. So
Not helping it. I think it's getting it worse a little bit. We have tapered shaft. Probably put these crappy parts in here.
Boop.
It's out. Right in the floor grease. All right. See, I twisted it slightly.
Mm-hmm.
Better.
Yeah, look at that.
You got towards another try this way. What do you think?
Yep.
I have to beat it in though. Remember, it's big. Factory installation. Hammer required.
And you thought you weren't going to be able to use your hammer again.
We'll put that in the instruction sheet.
Ooh, that's
There you go.
sucker went.
I think that'll work. It's real good until you get right. That's good there, but that last little bit, it'll wear in, but it's. I think it'll shift. Feel it? You feel it?
Yeah, I think that should be good. What do you try it too? Everyone have a go at
Everybody
my
gets a share,
shaft.
Fuck it.
I don't feel like that.
It's a little drag on it, but
It might even out once you get this on there.
it might be a little stiff shifting for the first few times, but it's gonna. Once you start beating out of the shifter, it'll start.
Oh, that's
We're in that high spot because it's real good until you get right to here. It's that last.
little.
It's that last 3/16 that you come in there, is where the problem is.
Gotcha. Yeah.
It's just gonna have to wear the high spot in. It's loose enough. I think we can run it.
Cool.
We'll find out when you put the tranny in there.
Yep.
When?
Tomorrow.
Tomorrow.
Tomorrow we're putting the tranny in. Unless you want to do it tonight.
I'm still working on the cam chest. Called lifters.
All right.
All right, we'll be back.